This will be an uncertain time for us, my love.
Yeah.
I can hear the echo of your voice.
Fuck, you got
in
a camera
my
again.
head, singing my love.
Fuck's happening? Yeah, it's been a minute. What a year, I ain't even fucking near to finish. Work hard, I took over the rap scene. I told them suck me off, now they crying with bad knees. You know the name on the topic of discussion, cause they talk about me daily, maybe diss me, man, it's nothing. I got the buzz and they bouncing back. I hit stage so hype like an ounce of rack. Went up my nose stream, oh he blazed and it's so green. Won't see me OD cause I don't breathe. The home team, so I got the support. I'ma plug my shit, I swear I said that before. This time it's reverse the curse, so let's spin that shit around, yeah, Perth is first. West Oz with a fresh crop, red hot. Yes, Scott, have a blaze of the Ash White. Them cunts trust party hard. Probably see me in your suburb going bar to bar. Then he fell, raising hell. The next week, motherfucker, I'm in ADL. The home of the best bud, yes, I confess, bruz. No one got the sticky like the Adelaide Fresh, bruz. So give the mic, let me rip tonight. To a lesbian's pussy, I'm the kryptonite. Work it out, turn it down, you was dumb, cause I won't quit. Heading back to Sydney, cause they got me feeling homesick. Sydney, the sickest is back. They say I'm stuck up, cunt, like a dick in the flaps. That's bullshit, I'm down to earth. I got love for my fans and they down with curse. So what the fuck they gonna do today? Come and the hell turn. 7 days later, curse a baby down in Melbourne. This place is my home from home. Swear the fans down here go cone for cone.